Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shakkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amardam Kamaya Am Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class we are going to recall about festival. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is ball and bat. Children, listen. First I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Listen. If we say ball, you have to do the action as batting. Then if we say bat, you have to do the action as catching the ball. Children, are you ready? Are you clear with the instructions? Yes. Let's start. Ball, bat, bat, ball, ball, bat. Super children. Now we are going to recall about festival. Children, do you love festival? Yes. If so, tell me what are the festivals you are celebrating in your home? Very good children, super answer. We celebrate many festivals in India. On festivals, we have fun with our family members. Children, which type of clothes you wear during festival? Yes, we wear new clothes and meet our friends and relatives to share greetings. Children, tell what are the things we exchange during festival time? Yes, we exchange gifts and sweets. Children, now let us recall about types of festivals. There are two types of festivals. They are religious festival and national festival. Children, first we are going to recall about religious festival. Children, from the festival you listed, no, people celebrate some functions with respect to their religion. Those are called religious festival. It is of four types. They are Diwali, Eid, Guru Parva and Christmas. Children, now let us recall about national festival. There are some other festival that can be celebrated commonly by all people. Those are known as national festival. National festival have three types. They are Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Children, now let us recall about religious festivals. That first we are going to recall about Diwali. Children, tell which is the festival of lights? Yes, Diwali is the festival of lights. Children, tell during Diwali what we are doing in your home. Yes. We light up our home with candles and diyas. Children, tell, which god do we pray on Diwali? Yes, we pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Children, say, what is the main activity we done during Diwali? Yes, we enjoy bursting firecrackers and sparklers, and also exchange sweets and gifts with our family, friends and relatives. Children, you should play with crackers in the presence of our parents or elders. Children, in this class we will discuss about religious festival Eid. Which is the festival of peace and kindness, children? Yes, Eid is the festival of peace and kindness. Children, when we celebrate the festival of Eid? Yes, it is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. Children, how will we greet each other during Eid? Yes, we greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Children, tell, what special dish we eat on Eid? Yes, we eat a sweet dish called Sevian on the occasion of Eid. And then children will receive gifts and money as their compliments from elders. Children, once again shall we recall the concept of festivals? There are two types of festivals. They are religious festivals and national festival. Today we saw in detail about religious festival, Diwali and Eid. Thank you, children. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.